already busted that side. Sorry you missed it. I'm gonna do this side. Just letting my air tank air up with some pressure. I'm trying to get at least 150 pounds in it before I turn it off. That way I got enough pressure to work this baby off and air it up. It's a 195, 65, or 15 tire that we're working with today. Check it out. That's enough pressure in the air compressor there. And my truck is literally a mess right now. I don't know where anything is. And I'm looking for my spoons. I usually have 2 of them in here, but now I can't even find one of them. It's so disorganized. So, give me 1 second, y'all, while I look for that real quick. There's one. It was underneath the tire. I couldn't find my tire iron, dude. But we got her in.
You've been looking for a tool that whole time?
Yeah, dude, it was terrible. I'm on live too. That's what's bad about it.
Oh no.
Fucking disorganized.
Where's the camera so I know where not to look?
Right here, just right here.
How many viewers are you getting for that?
Dude, not many, but the ones that are watching are loyal. Y'all the real ones. No, I don't know.
I tried a couple.
Like 300 viewers every now and then. Like the first one I got was like the best one.
Yeah.
Had somebody give me some diamonds.
Yeah, you said you got 50 cents.
50 cents. I made 50 cents. Tire is right here. Nope, right here. Put a plug in it.
I just saw it.
There it is. You should have me that. Oh, never mind. I had a razor blade up there.
I don't see it, but it will be fine.
Okay. This is a used tire that we're installing.
Do you edit and repost them?
Dude, I just found out you can download these.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that. I was talking to like my partner now. I was telling him, like, he's like, yeah, you can totally download them. I was like, oh, let me do that.
Yeah, just don't put a 16-minute live up. You gotta chop that up. Probably.
27-minute live is already up there on YouTube.
What was that one about?
I did a used tire install. It was just a reseal job, but it turned into a mobile tire job because the guy's tire was jacked up.
Right.
Big old hole on the side. Gonna have to use the beat blaster on this one. What up? Oh. That was a fail. Damn it, man. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to try it with the hard pressure. This is directly into the tank. No, not doing nothing. Haven't used the beat blaster in such a long time. Here we go.
is there still air in the compressor?
There's probably not enough. There's only like 70 pounds in there. I mean, if we just air it, just turn on the compressor. We don't need to do it. I don't need to be lost. So yeah, 195, 6515 did not want to seal up on its own. So we're gonna use maximum pressure and heat ratchet from the bottom. Hopefully that'll be enough, but no guarantee. And Sam, we need to get you one of those. Let's see if we can do it now. If I have to use the V-blaster, I'll go there next, but let's see. I'm going to use the one with more air pressure. We are good. That was the top one, bottom one. Oh, that's a bright light there.
That's good. You know, it's only bright for 1 day.
Power really good.
So I loved it when I bought it. Because I'm on my 3rd pack of batteries.
Oh man, yeah.
Third 3 pack, like 3 at a time or whatever.
The wifey got me this rechargeable one with Christmas.
That's what it needs to be, is rechargeable.
Yeah.
Close show.
So only about 20 pounds in there so far. 30 now. 32. That's about 35. That's enough. Valve stem. I don't even sure that it had one, but we're gonna put one on here. Checking everything for leaks. Did you notice any obvious damage on the other tire over there?
No.
I didn't either. I didn't see it, but I didn't check either.
I assume they hit a pothole, but that's not. I don't think so.
We're all set. Now this used tire did have a plug in it. Plug's holding good. Just checking all the way around, make sure no leaks. That's looking good. I do want to get that razor bladed off though. There's my other tire iron. Let's see if I had a razor blade that I carried in here, and don't know where it's at now, but oh well. Oh look, there it is on the floor. Must have came unhooked from where I had it. See if I can get that. This guy right here. I found it. It's right here. So just razor blading off this extra plug residue. It ain't gotta be perfect. That'll work.
I think that was one we took off another car.
Okay. I think I just saw a video. You can buy those by like the trailer from China, right?
What's that?
Used tires.
Yeah. I've heard some guys getting them for free. I find that hard to believe. But
Free?
yeah. Remember that guy I told you about? Who we taught everything to, and like,
Oh, Dwayne.
got tire shops and shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gets them for free.
That explains.
Maybe you know. Maybe he knows a friend of a friend of a friend.
That's one possibility.
I don't think that goes on there, buddy. That's a Toyota rim cover.
This is a Toyota, and I took it off this car.
Oh, well, never mind.
My bad.
Excuse me.
You been drinking already?
I don't drink.
Me too.
But I mean, I might go drinking tonight now.
Couple pictures. That's it.
Sam's Roadside Service right here, guys. Check him out.
Dude, the
Fastest roadside guy alive.
Please,
The fastest roadside guy alive. I'm sorry.
God sakes.
Check him out. Look at that nice truck.
I'm just kidding. I'm not trying.
He's too humble sometimes.
I'm humble.
He's a humble guy.
I don't like to brag or draw a lot of attention to myself.
Yeah, right. Just watch his channel, dude. The name says it all, dude.
You try to get some hate, man.
That's right. That's what we need. We need some haters.
That's it.
The haters help you grow.
If you ain't got haters,
What do you got if you ain't got haters? You know.
you're a nobody.
That's right. That's right.
So we're nobodies, so we get a
That's right.
pocket full of haters.
It was one of those motivational videos I heard. It's like, when you win, they're gonna talk about you. And
Probably Deion Sanders.
yeah, I think it was. But that's a used tire install. How much do we charge for this one, Sam?
$225.
$225. We are not cheap. Don't forget it. But we get stuff done. We turn off my generator now. Turn off the lights. We're out of here. I got date night with the lady. All right. So that's it, guys. Another mobile tire job done. 195 6515 on this little Toyota hybrid. And here's the truck. Sam's Roadside Service. And this is how we pull up on you. If you're ever in Indianapolis and you need roadside assistance, you rest assured we're going to come prepared. All right, you guys know the drill. TikTok does not like it when I drive and live. You cannot drive in live. I've learned my lessons. So I'm out of here. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Sam takes pictures of the vehicle. He already took pictures of the vehicle. That's one thing we always do. Take a picture of the license plate. Take a picture of what we did. And that's it. Peace out, y'all.
How many viewers that would have?